Welcome back, my dear students. Today we can begin with the Biology Unit 4 revision test. Here we have a 90 questions you have to complete in 90 minutes. So suppose if you need additional time, then you have to stop the video and then solve the question, then you can proceed. Okay. But we could not able to discuss the answers in this video due to the insufficient time. So I will read the question and I will give you the right answer. But for the explanation, you have to visit our mobile application. You have to download our application. Then you can get the detailed explanation along with possible diagrams, equations, everything you can get from our mobile applications. The name of our mobile application is VV app. So go to the Play Store and type VV app. You can download our application. From that you can able to solve minimum 30,000 questions from the last 25 years. Okay, that's all. So we can begin. The first question. Cyclic photophosphorylation results in the formation of the first option ATP and NADPH. Second option ATP, NADPH and O2. Third option ATP. Fourth option NADPH. So take your time and solve the right answer. So the right answer is ATP. So here is the solution, but I'm not going to discuss the solution right now. Please visit our mobile application to get the detailed answer for each and every question. Let's go to the second question. Anatomically fairly old dicotyledonous root is distinguished from the dicotyledonous stem by absence of secondary phloem. Option B, presence of cortex. Option C, the position of protoxylem. Option D, absence of the secondary xylem. Which is the right one? So once again, option C, position of protoxylem. That's right. Let's go to the third question. Aerobic respiratory pathway is appropriately termed as parabolic, amphipolic, anabolic, or catabolic. So think twice before writing the answer. Is it option A, B, C, or D? The right answer is amphipolic. The next question. The annular and spirally thickened conducting elements generally develop in the protoxylem when the root or stem is option A, elongating, option B, widening, option C, differentiating, option D, maturing. So which is the right answer? So you can check your preparation by this kind of test. So I advise my dear students, you have to take test frequently. So we have given the 45 days time plan. That is the study plan in our applications, as well as in our YouTube channel. So you can download the timetable and you can take the test accordingly every day. At least take a test for 40 to 50 questions per day. So the right answer is it maturing or widening, differentiating, elongating? It's differentiating. The next question. Stroma in the chloroplast of higher plant consists of light dependent reaction enzymes, ribosomes, chlorophyll, light independent reaction enzymes. Have you find the answer? The answer for the fifth question is light independent reaction enzymes. Next question. Which one of the following pairs is wrongly matched? Here we have given the four pair. The first pair is alcohol nitrogenase. Second one, fruit juice pectinase. Third one, textile amylase. Fourth one, detergents lipase. Which pair is the right one? Sorry, which is a wrongly matched. So except one pair, all those three pair are right. So which is a wrongly matched pair? So it's alcohol and nitrogenase. It is the wrong pair. So we solved six answers, six questions. Kindly look at the score there. Your score is 6 out of 90. Each question carry a single mark, just for to calculate. But in your examination, actually, individual question carries 4 marks. Every wrong answers give you the negative marking of 1. Seventh question. Which one of the following is a vascular cryptogam? Is it ginkgo, Merchandia, Zedrus, Equisetum? Which is the right one? A, B, C, D. Somebody have the policy like first question A, second question B, third question C, fourth question D. Again, they will start from reverse. D, B, D, C, B, A. Some people have some different frequency. For first three questions, AAA. Second set of three questions, BBB. Please don't use that. Okay. The seventh one is the answer is Equisetum. Equisetum is the right answer. We don't have sufficient time. That is why I'm skipping the answers. I don't have sufficient time to discuss elaborately. In our previous videos, we discussed only 5 to 10 questions, because even that 10 questions took around 30 minutes. But some of you given the comments like, sir, give more number of questions for practice. That is why I recommend you to go to visit our application. Please download our mobile application VB Guru app. From there, you can able to take the test of around 30,000 questions. Okay. Okay. The next question is, there is a question number 8. God cells help in which process? Transpiration, guttation, fighting against infection, or the protection against grazing? Which is the right one? Once again, the option A is the right answer, transpiration. Okay, let's go to the next one. Vegetative propagation in mint occurs by offset, rhizome, Sucker, runner. A, B, C, D, or D, C, B, A. Okay, sucker is the right answer. Let's go to the question number 10. Globulins contained in the human blood plasma are primarily involved in osmotic balance of body fluids, oxygen transport in the blood, clotting of the blood, defense mechanisms of the body. Which is the right one? So let me have some water. The right answer is the defense mechanisms of body. Let's go to the question number 11. Palisade parenchyma is absent in the leaves of mustard, soya bean, gram, sorghum. Which one is the right answer? The right answer for the question is option D, sorghum. The 12th question. In barley, stem vascular bundles are closed and scattered, open and in ring, closed and radial, open and scattered. Which is the right answer? The right answer is once again the same option, option number D, open and scattered. Sorry, I made a mistake. But it's not the right answer. It's a closed and scattered. Okay, I could not able to go back. The answer was the option A, the closed. Okay, you can check that out. So I made one wrong question, wrong answer. Middle lamella is composed mainly of which one? Moramic acid, calcium pectate, phosphoglycerides, hemicellulose. Option A, B, C, D. Which is the right answer? I also have to think because I given a wrong answer for the past question, the 12th question. So the right answer is a calcium pectate. It's the right answer. I have to be careful. 14th question. Which of the following is a symbiotic nitrogen fixer? Azotobacter, Frankia, Azola, Glomus. For the 14th question, option A, option B, option C, or D. It is Frankia, option B. That is the right answer. The 15th question. Which one of the following acid is a derivative of the carotenoids? Indole 3 acetic acid, gibberellic acid, abscisic acid, indole butyric acid. Which is the right answer? So the right answer is abscisic acid. Next question. Stroma in the chloroplast of higher plant consists of chlorophyll, light independent reaction enzymes, light dependent reaction enzymes, ribosomes. Which is the right answer? A, B, C, D. Is it C, B or C? Let me. Okay, it's B. So B is the right answer. Let's go to the next one. Manganese is required in. Manganese is required in chlorophyll synthesis, nucleic acid synthesis, plant cell wall formation, photolysis of water during the photosynthesis. Which is the right answer? Option A, B, C, D. I'm going to click this one or this one, this one. Don't wait for my click. Option D is the right answer. Photolysis of water during the photosynthesis. That is the right answer. The question number 18 is the annular and spirally thickened conducting elements generally develop in the protoxylem when the root or stem is differentiating, maturing, elongating, widening. I think this question is repeated. Let me check because the answer is differentiating. Let's go to the next question. Yes. Anatomically fairly old dicotyledonous root is distinguished from the dicotyledonous stem by the position of protoxylem, the absence of the secondary xylem, the absence of the secondary phloem, the presence of the cortex. I think one or two questions are repeated. Let me correct in the next video. I have to check whether I'm repeating any questions or not. Anyway, what is the answer? The right answer for the question number 19 is position of protoxylem. One of the synthetic auxin is, here we have four auxins are given: IBA, NAA, IAA, GA. So which is the right answer for the question number 20? Option B, NAA is the right answer. Next question. Which one of the following acids is a derivative of carotenoids? Abscisic acid, indole butyric acid, indole 3 acetic acid, gibberellic acid. Which is the right answer? Option A, abscisic acid is the right answer. 22nd question. True statement for cellulose molecule. Beta 1,4 linkage, unbranched. Second one, beta 1,4 linkage branched. Third one, alpha 1,4 linkage branched. Fourth one, beta 1,6 linkage unbranched. Which is the right answer for the 22nd question? It's beta 1,4 linkage of the unbranched type. Next question. What is the necessary condition for ripening of fruits? Okay, it's not a condition, chemical. What is the necessary chemical for ripening of fruits? Can you find it out? Is it 80% ethylene or abscisic acid or 2,4D or AMO16? Which one is the right answer for the 23rd question? The 80% of ethylene is the right answer. Which weedicide can defoliate the complete forest? Disastrous. Can you find out? Is it 2,4-D, AMO 16, 1618, MH, or ABA? Which one is the right answer? The right answer is the 2,4-D. Next question. Agent Orange is biodegradable insecticide, dioxin, we decide, biofertilizer, biopesticide. Which is the right answer? So, my dear students, if you want more time, please pause your video and take sufficient time. But in the exam, you have to complete 90 questions in less than 40 to 50 minutes. Because if you take 1 minute for a biology question, then you may not have a sufficient time to solve the mathematical problems, the problems in chemistry and biology. So please don't take more than 30 to 40 seconds so that you can save 20 seconds for physics and chemistry. Okay. So the right answer for the question number 25 is dioxin. So dioxin kind of we decide. 26. Transport of gases in alveoli takes place by active transport, passive transport, simple diffusion, or none of the given options are right. Sometimes the options like none of the given options are right can be the um, right, but I don't know. I'm not going to give you any clue. It's a test. So which is the right one? Option A, B, C, D. So the right answer is option C. It is the simple diffusion. It is the right answer. Question 27. Osmotic potential and water potential of the pure water respectively. What is the value? Both are 0, 0, 1, or 100, 0, or both are 100. So which is the right answer? Zero comma 0 is the right answer. 28th question. Oxidation of the palmitic and yield. Okay, the palmitic yield how much power, how much energy? Actually, it should have been the acid, palmitic acid yield. 129 ATP, 132 ATP, 36 ATP, and 76 ATP. Which one is the right answer? 129 ATP is the right answer. 29th question. Most stable pesticides. Which one? Organophosphates, organochlorines, Bodiax mixture, azadirachtin. Which one is the right answer? The right answer for this question is option B, organochlorines. Transition of starch bundles of the root to starch bundles of the stem occurs in epicotyl, hypocotyl, apical bud, coleoptile. which is the right answer. So the right answer is option B, hypocotyl is the right answer. Let's go to the next question. Plant pathogenic bacteria are mostly found. Okay, mostly do which kind of activities? Gram plus non-spore forming, gram minus, that is gram positive, gram minus non-spore forming, or gram positive spore forming, or gram negative spore forming, which is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Gram negative non-spore forming. 32nd question. Nitrogen fixing bacteria converts nitrogen to NH3, that is ammonia, NH4 plus to the nitrates, or NO2 to NO3, or NO3 to NO2, which is the right answer for the 32. So the right answer, it converts nitrogen to ammonia, N2 to NH3. That is the right answer. 33 question. Insectivorous plants grow in the soil which is deficient in magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, nitrogen. It should be N2, nitrogen. I'm not saying that. Okay, I given the answer. The option D is the right answer. Let's go to the 34th question. Which pair is of insectivorous plants? So, what is the right pair? Is it Drosera and Vallisneria, or Atricularia and Hydrilla, or Alobandra and Atricularia, or Rafflesia and Dionia, which is the right answer? The answer for the 34th question is Alobandra and Atricularia. Option C is the right answer. And 35th question. What shall be the water potential of the root hair cell absorbing water from the soil? 0, less than 0, more than 0, infinite. Which is the right answer? The right answer is the less than 0. Next question is very simple. ATP is it nucleotide or nucleoside or nucleic acid or vitamin? Which is the right answer? For the 36th question, option is ATP is the nucleotide is the right answer. Next question. Proteoglycan in cartilages, which is part of polysaccharide. The answers are conodrotin, conodotrin. Option B, ozine. Option C is the casein. Option D, cartilagen. Which is the right answer? Option A, chondroitin is the right answer. I didn't selected that. That is why I received the message. 38th question. Black rust of the wheat is caused by Pecunia, Ustilago, Albugo, Phytophthora. Which is the right answer? Option A, Pecunia is the right answer. The question number for 39. What happens in the light reaction? That is photochemical reaction. Formation of ATP and NADPH2. Formation of ATP. Formation of sugar. Breakdown of the sugar. Which is the right answer? Formation of ATP and NADPH. That is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Next question. Which pair is wrong? C3 Meise, C4 Kranz anatomy, Calvin cycle PGA, Hatch-Slake cycle OAA. Which pair is the wrong one? I have selected some tough questions, some simple question, just like so as to replicate the resemblance of the NEET examination. Based on our thought, based on our calculation, out of the 90 questions from the biology, you may get 40 to 50 questions in the very easy category, and 25 questions in the medium category. Remaining questions are in the hard category. So I have mixed the three categories of questions, easy, medium, hard, accordingly. Okay. And in our app also, we have the similar categorization. You can also take easy questions from the biology. You can also solve medium questions and hard questions. Depends on your level of preparation. The right answer for the question number 40 is the option A, C3 Meise is the right answer. The next question. Which hormone is responsible for senescence? ABA, auxin, GA, cytokinin. Okay, you can see that already the time is 7:30. I have to post this video by 7:30, so I will take within another 10-15 minutes I can able to post the video. The right answer is ABA. Next question. Which of the following prevents the fall of the fruits? GA3, NAA, ethylene, zeatin. The right answer for this question is NAA. That is naphthalene acetic acid. That is the right answer. 43rd question. Loading of the phloem is related to the increase of sugar in phloem, elongation of the phloem cell, separation of phloem parenchyma cells, strengthening of phloem fiber. Which is the right answer? Increase of sugar in the phloem is the right answer. Let's go to the next question. What is true for photolithotropes? Obtain energy from radiations and hydrogen from organic compounds. Obtain energy from radiations and hydrogen from inorganic compounds. Obtain energy from the organic compounds. Obtain energy from the inorganic compounds. Which is the right answer? Option B, obtain energy, radiations, and hydrogen from the inorganic compounds is the right answer. So let's go to the 45th question. Which one of the following is the correct match? Reserpine tranquilizer, cocaine opioid narcotic, morphine hallucinogenic, bank analgesic. Which is the right answer? For the 45th question, the right answer is option A, Respirin tranquilizer. Next question. Proteinaceous pigment which controls the activities concerned with the light. Phytochrome, chlorophyll, anthocyanin, carotenoids. Which is the right answer? The phytochrome is the right answer. Question number 47. Which is a reducing sugar? Galactose or glycolic acid or B-methyl galactoside or sucrose? Which is the right one? The right answer for the question is option A, galactose. Which of the following secretes toxins during the storage conditions of crop plants? Aspergillus, penicillium, fuscarium, collectotrichum. Which is the right answer? Once again, the same A option, option A, Aspergillus. So if somebody tried out like for the 3-4 questions A, 3-4 questions B, you might be lucky. 49th question. Which pigment absorbs the red and infrared light? Cytochrome, phytochrome, carotenoids, chlorophyll. Option B, option C, option D, option A. It's option B, phytochrome is the right answer. How many ATP molecules produced by the aerobic oxidation of one molecule of the glucose? Is it 2, 4, 38 or 34? Which is the right answer? Thirty-eight is the right answer. 38 is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Go to the next one. In photosynthesis, energy from the light reaction to the dark reaction is transferred in the form of ADP, ATP, or UDP, chlorophyll. Option B, ATP is the right answer. The question number 52 is, which of the following absorb the light energy for the photosynthesis process? Chlorophyll, water molecule, O2, or UBP? Water molecule is the right answer or not? No, it's not a right answer. The right answer is the chlorophyll. Option A is the right answer. Next question. Seed dormancy is due to the ethylene abscisic acid, IAA, starch. The right answer is abscisic acid. Question number 54. 4 radial VB are found in dicot root, monocot root, dicot stem, monocot stem. Which is the right answer? Option A, dicot root is the right answer. There is a beautiful picture. You can refer. Please visit the mobile application, VB Guru application. You can download from the Google Play Store. You can access 30,000 questions. So please download and practice more number of questions in the VV Guru app. 55. Axillary bud and terminal bud derived from the activity of lateral meristem, intercalary meristem, apical meristem, parenchyma. Which is the right answer? It is apical meristem is the right answer. We can go to the question number 56. The major role of the minor elements inside the living organism is to act as cofactors of the enzymes, building blocks of important amino acids, constituent of the hormones, binder of cell structure. Which is the right answer? A, B, C, D. Cofactors of the enzymes is the right answer. Next question, the which element is located at the center of the porphyrin ring in the chlorophyll? Is it calcium, magnesium, potassium, manganese? Which is the right one for the 57th question? It's magnesium is the right answer. Let's go to the next one. The major portion of the dry weight of the plants comprises of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, or calcium, magnesium and sulfur, or calcium, nitrogen, hydrogen, or carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Which is the right one? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It is the right answer. So the next question, question number 59. Which one of the following mineral elements plays an important role in the biological nitrogen fixation? Is it copper, manganese, zinc, molybdenum? Which is the right answer? That's right, the molybdenum is the right answer. Question number 60. Stomata of the cam plants are always open during the day and close at the night, open during the night and close during the day. It will never open. Which is the right one? The right answer is it will open during the night time and close during the daytime. 61. Differentiation of the shoot is controlled by the high auxin to cytokinin ratio, high cytokinin to auxin ratio, high gibberellin to auxin ratio, high gibberellin to cytokinin ratio. Which is the right one? Option B, high cytokinin to auxin ratio is the right one. Let's go to the next question. Glycolysis is the oxidation of the glucose to the glutamate, conversion of the pyruvate to citrate, oxidation of glucose to the pyruvate, conversion of glucose to the heme. Which is the right one for the 62nd question? Oxidation of the glucose to the pyruvate is the right answer. Let's go to this question number 63. It's already time is 7:45. Phospholipids or is esters of the glycerol with 3 carboxylic acid residues, 2 carboxylic acid residues and one phosphate group, 1 carboxylic acid residue and two phosphate groups. Option D is the 3 phosphate groups. Which is the right answer? Two carboxylic acid residues and one phosphate group is the right answer. I have to select before click the submit. Next question. In which one of the following do the two names refers to one and the same thing? Which is similar name? Krebs cycle and Calvin cycle. Tricarboxylic acid cycle and citric acid cycle. Citric acid cycle and Calvin cycle. Tricarboxylic acid cycle and urea cycle. Which is the right answer? Option B, tricarboxylic acid cycle and citric acid cycle is the right answer. Let's go to the 65th question. In glycolysis, during the oxidation, electrons are removed by which one? Is it ATP or molecular oxygen or NAD plus or glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate? Which is the right answer? I read in the reverse direction. Option D first, C then B, A, but be careful and select the right answer. The right answer is the NAD plus. Option B is the right answer. The most likely reason for the development of the resistance against the pesticides in insects damaging a crop is. If you could not able to listen to my voice when I'm speaking at the rapid speed, please you can stop the video and listen once again. Genetic recombination, directed mutations, acquired heritable changes, random mutations. Which is the right answer? Option D, random mutations is the right answer. The next question, the most abundant element present in the plant is nitrogen, manganese, iron, carbon. Carbon is the right answer for this question. The next question, cell elongation in internodal regions of the green plants takes place due to cytokinins, gibberellins, ethylene, indole acetic acid. Which is the right answer? The right answer is gibberellins. Next question. ATPase enzyme needed for muscle contraction is located in troponin, myosin, actin, actinin. So the right answer is myosin. Plants adapted to the low light intensity have high rate of CO2 fixation than the sun plants, more extended root system, leaves modified to the spines, larger photosynthetic unit size than the sun plants. Which is the right answer? I'm just checking whether it is recording or not. Answer for the question number 70 is option. The leaves modified to the spines. It's a wrong answer. I did a mistake again. Let me, okay. The answer, right answer is the more extended root systems. Let's go to the next question. In C3 plants, the first stable product of the photosynthesis during the dark reaction is oxaloacetic acid, 3-phosphoglyceric acid, phosphoglyceraldehyde. Very, very long sentence. Very difficult to pronunciate. Option D is the malic acid. Which is the right answer? I have to think twice also. I given already. I given three wrong answers, isn't it? So take your time. What is the right answer? For the question number 71 is it option A or option B or option D? Sorry, option D, C or option D? In the 71st question, 3-phosphoglyceric acid is the right answer. Next question. In the resting state of the neural membrane, diffusion due to the concentration gradients, if allowed, would derive would drive which one? K plus and Na plus out of the cell, or Na plus into the cell, or Na plus out of the cell, or K plus into the cell. So the right answer is it is Na plus into the cell is the right answer. So the next question, 73rd question. During which stage in the complete oxidation of glucose are the greatest number of ATP molecules formed from the ADP? Glycolysis, Krebs cycle, electron transport chain, conversion of the pyruvic acid to the acetyl CoA, which is the right answer. Electron transport chain is the right answer. The next question is, all of the following statement concerning to the actinomyosis filamentous soil bacterium Frankia are correct, except that the Frankia forms specialized vesicles in which the nitrogenase is protected from the oxygen by a chemical barrier involving triterpene hopanoids. Option B can induce root nodules on many plant species. Option C, like rhizobium, it usually infects the host plant through the root hair deformation and stimulates the cell proliferation in the host cortex. Option D, cannot fix the nitrogen in the free living state. So which is the right one? Option D can induce the root nodules on many plant species. The right answer. The 75th question. As compared to the C3 plant, how many additional molecules of the ATP are needed for net production of one molecule of hexosugar by the C4 plants? Which is the right one? 0, 6, 2, 12. 12 is the right answer. Let's go to the next question. Photosynthesis in the C4 plants is relatively less limited by the atmospheric CO2 levels because the primary fixation of CO2 is mediated via PEP carboxylase. Effective pumping of CO2 into the bundle sheath cells. Four carbon acids are primarily initial CO2 fixation products. Rubisco in CO plants has higher affinity for the CO2, which is the right answer. Option B, effectively pumping the CO2 into the bundle sheath cell is the right answer. The 77 question is, which is vivipary and an undesirable character for the annual crop plants? For which plants? Why? Because it reduces the vigor of the plant. The seed exhibit the long dormancy. It adversely affects the fertility of the plant. The seeds cannot be stored under the normal conditions for the next season, which is the right answer. The right answer is the seeds cannot be stored under the normal conditions for the next season. That is the right answer. We can go to the next question. So still we have 12 more questions. Parthenogophic tomato fruits can be produced by removing androecium of the flowers before pollen grains are released, treating the plants with a low concentration of the gibberellic acid and the auxins, raising the plants from vernalized seeds, treating the plants with mercuric acetate. It's a very tough to pronunciate, which is the right answer. The right answer is the treating the plants with low concentrations of the gibberellic acids and auxins is the right answer. Next question: how does pruning help in making the hedge dense? It induces the differentiation of the new shoots from the root stock. It frees auxiliary buds from the apical dominance. The apical shoot grows faster after pruning. It releases the wound hormones, which is the right answer. It frees auxiliary buds from the apical dominance. It is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. The question number 80. The farmers in a particular region were concerned that premature yellowing of the leaves of a pulse crop might cause the decrease in the yield. Which treatment could be the most beneficial to obtain the maximum seed yield? Option A, frequent irrigation of the crop. Option B, treatment of the paints with cytokinins along with small dose of the nitrogenous fertilizer. Option C, removal of all yellow leaves and spraying the remaining green leaves with the 2,4,5 trichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Option D, application of the iron and magnesium to promote the synthesis of chlorophyll, which is the right answer. Application of the iron and magnesium to promote the synthesis of chlorophyll, that is the right answer. Go to the next question, 81. In photosystem 1, the first electron acceptor is ferridoxin, cytochrome, plastocyanin, and iron sulfur protein, which is the right answer. And iron sulfur protein is the right answer. A common structural feature of the vessel elements and sieve tube elements is thick secondary walls, pores on the lateral walls, presence of the P protein, enucleate condition, which is the right answer. Option B, pores on the lateral walls is the right answer. A thalloid body of the slime mold, that is myxomycetes, is known as protonema, plasmodium, fruiting body, mycelium, which is the right answer. It is plasmodium is the right answer. How many ATP molecules could maximally be generated from one molecule of glucose? If the complete oxidation of 1 mole of glucose to CO2 and H2O yields 686 kilocalories, and the useful chemical energy is available in the high energy